Hello friends. Are you interested in graphic design, digital art, or visual content creation? This course will allow you to take your projects to the next level using new technologies. Midjourney for Beginners, Creating Visuals Using AI is a comprehensive and engaging course that helps you create creative and professional images using artificial intelligence. In this course, you will easily and simply learn about Midjourney tools and how to use this technology to create unique and impactful images. The actual price of this course is around $30. But with our special discount, get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time, so don't miss the opportunity. To register and start learning, go to skilldiscounts.com now and start the course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are 4 days left of the discount coupon. By the way, the discount coupon is automatically applied here. Your path to success begins with skilldiscounts.com. Start today. If you want to use other free and legal Udemy courses, you can see other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Even go to different categories. Or go to the All Free Online Courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.